السلام عليكم. أنا الطالب محمد رافع الزقزوق. Today I will talk about Dressler syndrome. Introduction. Dressler syndrome, also known as post-myocardial infarction syndrome, is a form of secondary pericarditis with or without pericardial effusion resulting from injury to heart or pericardial. Not a common condition. Dressler syndrome should be considered in all patients presenting with persistent nausea or fatigue following a myocardial infarction or cardiac surgery. So what about neuromuscular physiology? While this syndrome doesn't directly not involvement neuromuscular physiology, here is how the normal neuromuscular system will interact with or be affected indirectly. Normal neuromuscular physiology: central nervous system initiates voluntary muscular movement via upper motor neurons and peripheral neuron system. Lower motor neurons transmit impulses to muscle. Neuromuscular junction: acetylcholine is released from motor neuron. Acetylcholine binding to nicotinic receptor on the muscle fiber and lead to depolarization and muscle contraction. Muscle fiber response: action potential trigger calcium release cross bridge cycling occur contraction. Pathophysiology of Dressler syndrome: heart injury. Dressler syndrome typically occur after a myocardial infarction, cardiac surgery, or other cardiac or pericardial injury. Released myocardial antigens: that injury to heart release cardiac antigen or new antigen into the surrounding tissue and bloodstream. Autoimmune response: that body immune system recognizes that antigen as strong and mounts in an immune response, producing antibody and inflammatory cells. Pericardial inflammation: that immune complex antigen and antibody deposit on the pericardium leading to inflammation or pericarditis. Pericardial effusion: that inflammation can cause fluid to accumulation in the pericardium space and lead to pericardial effusion. Thank you.